Hello students, ang topic natin ngayon ay computing compound interest. The formula for compound interest, where I is equal to interest, P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate, T is equal to time in years, F is equal to future value, and N is equal to the number of times made in a year. So to get the future value, we use the formula F is equal to P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. And to get the interest, so yan ay F minus P. Paano pag hindi given si F? So we use I is equal to P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT minus P. Or factor si P. So yan ay product of P and the sum of 1 plus R over N raised to NT minus 1. So principal, yan naman ay P is equal to F over 1 plus R over N raised to NT. At si rate, yan naman yung product of N and the difference of F over P raised to 1 over NT and 1. So, pag kay time naman, yan ay logarithm F over P all over N times logarithm 1 plus R over N. So, example, find the maturity value and the compound interest if 10,000 is compounded annually at an interest rate of 2% in 5 years. So, dyan ang hinahanap si future value. Based dun sa given natin, anong gagamitin nating formula for future value? So, yan ay P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT. Then, substitute yung mga value. So, yan ay 10,000 times 1 plus 0.02 over 1 raised to 1 times 5. So, gamit si PEMDAS, so yan 0.02 divided by 1 is 0.02 and 1 times 5 is 5. Then, 10,000 times yan 1.02 raised to 5. Pinag-add lang natin yung 1 plus 0.02. Then, 1.02 raised to 5. Then, multiply kay 10,000, we get 11,040.81. Now that we know future value, we can just use I is equal to F minus P to get the interest. So, 11,040.81 minus 10,000. So, ang interest earned is 1,040.81. But for lesser mistake, we can just use this formula. So, kasi baka mamaya mali yung compute ng F. So, para lesser mistake, gamitin natin itong formula na to. So, P times 1 plus R over N raised to NT minus 1. Then, substitute the values. So, yan ay 10,000 times 1 plus 0.02 over 1 raised to 1 times 5 minus 1. So, unahin natin yung nasa parenthesis. So, yan ay 0.02 divided by 1. Then, itong exponent, 1 times 5 is 5. Then, 1 plus 0.02 is 1.02. Then, 1.02 raised to 5 is 1.104081 minus 1. So, yan ay 0.104081 multiply to 10,000. Ang interest earned is 1,040.81. Another example, find the present value of 50,000 due in 4 years. If money is invested at 12% compounded semi-annually. So, pag sinabing semi-annually, 2 times in a year. So, P ang hinahanap, gamitin natin yung formula for P. So, yan ay F over 1 plus R over N raised to NT. Then, substitute yung given values. So, yan ay 50,000 all over 1 plus 0.12 divided by 2, 2 times 4. 0.12 divided by 2 is 0.06. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. And 1 plus 0.06 is 1.06 raised to 8. So, 50,000 divided by 1.06 raised to 8 is 31,370.62. Another example. At what interest rate compounded quarterly, so 4 times in a year, will 1,000 double itself in 10 years. So, pag sinabing double itself, so yan ay 1,000 times 2, so 2,000 yung ating future value, so in 10 years. So, ang hinahanap, R, therefore, we use the formula for R, so yan ay N times F over P raised to 1 over NT minus 1. So, substitute yung mga nakuha nating value. So, yan ay 4 times 2,000 divided by 1,000 raised to 1 over 4 over 10 minus 1. So, 2,000 divided by 1,000 is 2. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. 2 raised to 1 over 40 minus 1, then multiply kay 4, we can get 0.0699 or 6.99%. So, the rate must be 6.99% and able to double itself in 10 years. Another example, how long? So, ang hinahanap, T, will 10,000 earn an interest of 4,916.59 at an interest rate of 20% compounding daily. So, we use 360 instead of 365 since sa bank ay 30 days ang regular base nila. And 30 times 12 is 360. So, the formula for T is equal to logarithm of F over P all over N times logarithm 1 plus R over N. So, dyan wala si F. Paano yon? So, to get F, so yan ay P plus I, so 10,000 plus 4,916.59. So, ang future value natin ay 14,916.59. So, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute dun sa ating values. Sa ating formula, yung mga values. So, logarithm of 14,916.59 over 10,000 all over 360 times logarithm 1 plus 0.02 over 360. So, ang ating T ay 2. So, it will take 2 years. So, kung natuto ka, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!